This intro video is a cut-out video from the pattern making of this video tutorials. After making the pattern cutting and do the sewing. This video is the continuation of pattern making of corset number 4 that we made tutorials. It's okay not to cut the cloth for bonding line. Because if the cloth we use is stretchable, it's hugging easier to manage to fit to our body. 1/4 inch is just enough distance for the bond stick and the stitch to flatten. First, bonding markings. The second, bonding markings. Cut the center of bust opening at the top. After cutting, align the dart lines. Third, bonding markings. The other half of the front side. Same process with the other side. Then flatten with the matching stitch to make the bone stick. Hold firm and stable. After flattening the bone stick section, flat the pattern too. The thinner cloth, fourth lining. My main cloth is thick, and because the stick bone is on the main cloth, I choose thinner cloth for the lining. For the lining, it is okay if it's plain without darts, because our material is stretchable. After cutting, attached it to the main assembled cloth. Then attach the bust pad. Place it to the center off bust distance and bust point. Usually, I just put two bonding section at the back side. One aligned to end off the armhole. One is near to the zipper line. Then we will pin to get ready to connect it to the front side. Same with the lining. This is how I do for the back side. I cut the markings match with the other side. That I've done the bonding section. Machine stitch 1/4 inch for bonding dot in between the armhole tip and zipper allowance. Then flatten with the matching stitch. Attach the lining. Then put the stick bone. Cut the excess length. Attach the sides with 1-inch sewing allowance. Attach the bust pendant or machine stitch can do. And the off-shoulder attachment. And the lower part will be on the other video tutorials due to the lack of storage on my phone. Hope this video gives value to you. Thanks for watching.